This video shows how to buy shares of Guardforce AI Co Ltd, ticker GFAI, listed on NASDAQ. Guardforce AI develops security, robotics, and AI solutions. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GFAI to locate the stock. Select the listing that shows Guardforce AI Co Ltd to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm details. Verify the name reads Guardforce AI Co Ltd, and the exchange shows NASDAQ. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add more before confirmation. Once executed or queued, the position will appear in your portfolio view. Soft CTA. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps shown here.